If you've been logged out of your DoorDash account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash login page. Go to the DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app on your device. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your DoorDash account. Make sure to input the correct email and then click Submit or Send link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from DoorDash with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log back into your DoorDash account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.